In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GTA 5 on Steam. Steam now sells Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced, and this package includes several parts of the experience in one purchase. You'll get Grand Theft Auto 5 for Story Mode, Grand Theft Auto Online, Grand Theft Auto 5 Legacy, and the Criminal Enterprise Starter Pack included with the bundle. Before you buy, it's a good idea to carefully read the product page so you know exactly what is included. This helps avoid confusion, especially since Rockstar has released different versions and editions over time. Once you're on the game's Steam page and you're ready to continue, click Add to Cart. Steam will then ask how you want to purchase it. In this case, choose Purchase for Myself. That option adds the game to your own account so it will appear in your Steam library after checkout. Make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account before moving forward, because the game license will be tied to that account. After that, choose your payment method. Steam supports a few different options depending on your region. These may include your Steam wallet, a credit or debit card, PayPal, or local payment methods if they're available in your country. Pick the one that works best for you and fill in any required payment details on the checkout page. If you're using Steam wallet funds, double check that your balance is enough to cover the total price, including any taxes that may apply. When your payment method is selected, review your order carefully. This is the moment to confirm that you're buying the correct game and that the total amount looks right. You'll also need to accept the Steam subscriber agreement before you can continue. Once everything looks good, click Purchase to complete the transaction. After the payment goes through successfully, Steam will add the game to your account automatically. From there, open your library and find Grand Theft Auto 5 in your game list. Select it, then click Install. Steam will ask you to choose an installation folder, so pick the drive or location where you want the game stored. Keep in mind that GTA 5 is a large game, so make sure you have enough free space before starting the download. Once the install begins, wait for the download to finish completely. Download time will depend on your internet speed and system performance. When the installation is done, click Play to launch the game. And that's it. You've successfully bought and installed GTA 5 on Steam.